Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. In today's video, we are organizing and cleaning out the kitchen pantry. This is a quick, easy, and inexpensive way to clean out the space. I found 6 baskets that I liked from Target, and they were $6 a piece. So the total amount of my project costs $36. But you can find the same baskets at Dollar Tree or Walmart for much cheaper than $6 a piece. So let's get started. Okay, so I'm getting started here by taking everything out of the pantry. That way I can see what I want to go back in there and I'm not digging around and trying to rearrange it. So I just bring everything out, and it's much easier to organize it that way and then to put it back in with just a clear vision. Here's Luke making an appearance. He's my middle son. He's 5 years old, and he wanted to help me take everything out of the pantry, so of course I let him. Here's Molly again, so I believe you're going to see her quite a bit in this video. She's just helping get all the crumbs picked up. So this is some kind of black rack that you can get at Lowe's or Home Depot. I believe they're used in the garage, but it was a hand-me-down to us, and we used it outside for the longest in the garage, but we needed a bigger pantry because our kitchen did not come with one. And I believe this is actually supposed to be a coat closet. It is right next to the front door, but it only had one shelf in it, so maybe it wasn't a coat closet. Maybe somewhere to put your cleaning supplies. But we really needed a space to put all of our food and stuff in, so we got the idea to just move all our food from the cabinets and put it over here so that we would have more room. So now I have the closet completely cleaned out. I took out everything, I swept it, I mopped it, and later I will dust off that top shelf. I think I forgot to do it right after I swept and mopped, but I went back and did it. But now you're seeing all of the things that were in the pantry on the table, and I also have quite a bit on the floor. So there is going to be quite a bit that I do not put back into the pantry closet. I just had way too much stuff in there. The more you put in a space like that, it just looks cluttered, and it really wasn't functional. There was just too much. So I am going through everything and putting them in these gray baskets that I got from Target, and that way they stay organized and we know where things go. And I think later I might put labels on the front, but for now it works. We can see into the baskets, and so I don't think it's going to be a problem. But I may later put some tags on it or labels, like I said, just so it kind of gives it a little something else. Everything just falls apart, so I just close my eyes and dream. This piece was the bottom shelf that goes to the black rack, but we took it off a while ago and was just storing it inside the closet because I could not get to the bottom to clean the crumbs out as easily. So we just removed it because we really didn't need it anyways, because we do keep our crock pots on the ground in that closet, and that's where I'm going to continue to keep them. So we just took that shelf and stored it in the garage just in case we ever wanted to put it back or use it again.
Have drifted off too far. Let's tear down these walls. Our destiny has called. We're walking down a path and the wind will change.
I think I bought this quesadilla maker way before I was even married, when my husband and I were still just dating.
Our kids and how they're running around. Won't you come and lay down next to me? Close your eyes and we'll be free.
So now I'm going through my cookbooks. I had those in the pantry on the bottom shelf, but I believe I'm going to put those in a different place. Here it is. The pantry is all finished. This is what I decided to put back in here. There were several things I didn't want to put back in because it was just going to make it too cluttered. But starting at the bottom, I have my crock pots and Molly and Jonah's food, their snacks. And then I have these two bins to put some of the kids' snacks in. We don't have a whole lot right now because tomorrow's grocery day, but I put their big Go Fish there. I have canned soups and some olives. I put the chicken broth and vegetable broth in there with noodles. All those fit perfectly in that basket. And then up here I have more vegetables and fruit. Those are pretty full. And then I forgot I had this little bucket, and so I put some of Jack's, the baby's food and snacks in there. And then the top will have a little bit more room to put more stuff. In this canister I put all the peanut butters and other nut butters and coconut flakes and granola in. I got all of the baskets at Target. The silver and white ones, I got those last year, but these gray ones, I have been buying those up at Target and using them a lot for my organizing. But here it is.
Thanks for watching my video, and if you liked it, please give it a big thumbs up. And if you haven't already, I'd love to have you subscribe to my channel. I put out new videos every week, twice a week. I'll see you in my next one. Bye!